This October 1st to 2nd, Mexico City will host TechPharmaNet Mexico 2025, a forum for professionals tackling the technological challenges of the pharmaceutical industry. Executives from R&D, manufacturing, clinical development, quality, and data will gather to explore advances in cybersecurity, nanotechnology, nearshoring, next-gen manufacturing, and patient-centered technologies.
Sirve mucho tener este tipo de foros para alimentarnos en general, para compartirnos nuestras experiencias.
It is a platform to build strategic partnerships, generate business opportunities, and share experiences that drive innovation from within.
Creo que es un espacio único de networking, además de darnos una idea de cuáles son las nuevas tendencias y lo nuevo que viene.
With a dedicated app to boost networking, interactive sessions like Your Voice, Your Impact, and high-level case studies, the experience is designed to maximize value and insight.
I have to say I was absolutely enthusiastic about the organization, the people attending, the very interesting topics with a lot of one-on-one connection. And I will definitely recommend
TechPharmaNet Mexico 2025 is your opportunity to connect, innovate, and transform.
Ojalá puedan participar.
Los invito para que participen y
Los invito para que en futuras ediciones de este evento consideren venir.
les invito a que participen.
Los invito a que participen en la sesión del siguiente año.
Seats are limited. Register now and be part of the transformation.